All right, hello everybody. Welcome to Buck Does It. This video here, I'm gonna show you what I did to fix some of the rust repair on the old cuda over there, and show you how far I am, and just keep you updated on the progress. Because in the meantime of doing that, I'm over there working on the buck. I got this 1/4 panel pretty much straightened out. It's not perfect, but should make a good 20-footer anyway. So we're gonna let that go, and we'll start working on this side here next. So with that, on with the show. Well, here we go. There's no turning back now. Cut it off there. Cut it off there. I ordered a new inner 12-piece kit. Comes with all these brackets. But I want to get underneath here to see what's going on in there. It doesn't look good down in there from what I've seen. So I don't know where I'm going to set you here. Let's try putting you over here. And then I'm sure there's a whole lot holding this on here. Yeah, out with the bad. And we have to figure out what we're going to do with the good. This has to come out. I could drill that out in there. I didn't want to be working in there because I still have that engine. I have it all covered up over there. But anyway, look at that mess. Not much left in there. I think I'm going to delete that air vent. They sell a whole top cowl, so I may do that because the window's all rusted underneath there too, and I got troubles in here. They make these corner pieces, so I think I'm gonna get the 2 corner pieces and the whole top cowl, and then all of this. Yippee-ki-yay-yo, that's a lot of work, man. Plus I don't know how all this stuff is. I could probably rebuild a lot of this stuff, especially in here. I can make them there. Onward we go. Just doing a little hammer and dolly work here. Some hammer and dolly work. Try to straighten it. This was kinked in here. Trying to straighten this out. Of pulling on it here, banging around in here, finding more holes. So now I got to decide whether I want to. Man, that's a big job to put this whole inner cowl in, or lower cowl and upper cowl. So that's where I'm. Decisions. I've also been doing some cleaning up in here, wire wheeling and stuff. Paint stripper. This is all coming out, so I'm not going to take the paint off of there. So I got a whole new side here and a bunch of pieces for theirs. So once I get that new piece, I can put it in there and see how far away, how bad I really am over there. And then next thing I order or take off here, I think, is going to be that upper cowl. That one isn't as bad as the lower one, I believe. We're going to find out. Boy, what a wrestling match this was. I think I got it. Yes, I did. I wanted to take that out of there because I want to see how this upper cowl is mounted in here. So I believe I'm gonna, Well, I know I am. I'm going to change this upper cowl right down to here, all the way down around. I'm going to repair the lower cowl. So I want to get away from all these holes in here anyway. So, but I'm just happy I got this thing out of there. So anyway, you can see I got rust here, I got repair panels right here. The whole cowl all the way across. I need to look underneath there. And then I can repair this here as long as it's not all the way across. So I didn't want to take this off till I get the new one, so I see how this all fits. Because I was in here, this car was hit over here somewhere. This was all crinkled in. This is, you can see how this is crinkled. So I don't know how the panel's supposed to be. But if you look down in there, as I was hammering and dolly, the brake come away from the firewall. So I got to see if it's bent up in there anywhere. I got two. So a lot of fun. Here we go. All right, here's where we're at. I got this tacked in here. I got rid of that vent that was there. I want to leave it tacked in because, see, I got most of that upper cowl off. I'm going to order a new upper cowl, but I got to wait till I build up some cash. But I didn't want to make this permanent just in case I got to move stuff here, right here. So I think I'm okay. I used all the old parts to sort of puzzle it in there. So I just have that tacked in there. I still have to put a piece in here. And then now I'm working on this panel here. I bought a whole apron kit. So this here will go in, this here will go in here. That'll take care of that ugliness here. I also have a inner panel here. Let me see if I can show you. See, this here, right in here. Anyway, that'll take care of that whole side there, and then I'll get a new upper. I'm going to repair that little bit there, and then I want to, being that it's going to stay a drag car, I want to cover up all those holes. I didn't want to put a new bottom one in and then cover up all the holes. Got my corner pieces. Got that tacked in, and I got some pieces made to cover this hole here. So we're getting there. All right, I got the cowl panel in, and I'm doing some fitting here. Got this pretty well straightened out here. Let me move this out of here. I started welding all this together in here, and then I ran out of wire, so I need to go get wire. But so I just need to smooth this out here a little bit. Got this in. Got a little more welding down in here yet. And I'm happy with it. I got another patch to put in here. I got that made somewhere here. I don't know what I do with it. Anyway. Probably laying on the floor. Yep, that's where it is. Panel to put in here yet. Just gotta cut it out. And then over here, I'm surprised. I got this, have this corner to put in yet. Anyway, I got that corner to put in there yet. And a little bit of rust repair here. But all this would be taken care of with that corner. And then got a little bit of rust repair here. Which ain't so bad. I'm surprised. There might be a hole down in here too. I don't know. I have to look. So we getting it. All right, got all this patched up here, and working on the holes there. I haven't decided what I want to do with this yet. I'm going to leave it there because I can reach in and do some hammer and dollying yet. I'm going to leave that opening open. Next up is this corner here. Just take the door off and drill out the spot welds. We'll get all that straightened out, then we'll decide what we're going to do here. And but I wanted to get all this done so I get the upper cowl done, and then in the meantime I could fill in the heater holes there. Got one done, but that's where we're at. Got the antenna hole, antenna cable hole to fix yet. A little rust hole down in there yet too, but that's all below. Everything below here is going to wait. I'm going to get this upper done, and then I need to get the and see what I'm going to do with this mess. I think I'm just going to patch it for now, and then it can always have a roof skin later. Well, I just ran some rust dissolver over this whole inner cowl here, and I'm getting ready to put the 415 on there. Just letting her dry up here a little bit. I just want to get most of this stuff painted in here, and then work on that corner. So that's where I'm up to anyway. I want to start grinding all this stuff out of here while it's outside. Get this cut out so I can. I don't know what I'm going to do here yet. All right, I put a coat of the 415 on there, and cut a little bit of metal out of here. Took the door off. But it's like 6 hours for that stuff to dry, so I'm sort of forced to take a break. Which thank you, 415. I could use a break. And then I got to cut this here and drill out the spot welds. I hold this in here. There's spot welds up in here. There's a couple down in here. Get that out. Put the new piece in. Then I got to fix my rust hole here. And I keep thinking, boy, yeah, I should have put that bottom panel in, but I think we'll just get her. I didn't like the way they cut this hole out here for the fender well headers. So I think it lose a lot of support there, and then that upper cowl should give it a lot more support, and then these here tied into that would give it some more support. So that's what I'm thinking there. And then later down the road, if I or somebody else wants to restore it back to a driver car, then all that can be taken care of then. But I just want to get this done, and I think it'll last a long time after we do that. All right, with that, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. Ring the notification bell if you want to be notified. And remember, be good. If you can't be good, be kind. See ya.